mail. I was waiting for nothing. These stupid people freaking me out. Alright. There's the key. Good timing too, because it's June 10th, my birthday. So, sure for everything how we do this. You open it up. There's the box. So here it is. Should be hopping up and down the hall like I used to. Alright, but we'll have to do the unboxing a little later. Even though for you it's going to come up right about now. Alright. Kind of hard to see because of the cracked screen. Oh, really? That was a bad cut. That's better. That's better. Pop. All right. Never mind that dirty plate there. There, whatever. Oh, yeah. The right thing. All right. Yeah, it's actually a fire alarm, not a smoke alarm this time. Believe it or not. Yeah. Space Age Electronics Strobe. As you can see there. It's probably already pretty clean anyways, but see if we can see. There you go. Yeah, cleared it up a little bit at least. Alright. Anyways, I think this was the predecessor to the VA4 strobe plate. Ooh, that is kind of loose. But anyways, here's the horn. It's connected to it, it's an electronic one. HA24D, you've seen it because I already have one on the VA4. Well, obviously it's not on the VA4 right now because it's separate, but you know, you saw it. 931 VDC, 75 decibels. Note this label applies to the audible device only. 423.98. There's already wires there. See, is it the same plug and about the same color? That sticker somewhere else. Back of the strobe here or something. There we go. That sticker that was up here, I just had to keep it so it's right back there now. So anyways, here's the strobe itself. Fire protective visual signaling appliance. Yeah, it's been a while since I've done a fire alarm video, so. the horn. This is 98. What was this? Yeah, this is 98 too. So, it's pretty bright. I think you saw that's 100. What, 120? Yep. And 40 at 0 degrees Celsius. So, let's try some of this. Alright. Let's see. Yeah. You can't see it. Whoa! And that can fell down again. Oh, notification. And slid to dismiss the notification and it fell again. But the insulation just flew. Obviously the strobe is, 2130 volts DC, so it won't work as well on just plain 9 volts as it would. Ouch. But I'll get a couple other batteries sometime, yeah. Alright, these are thick wires. Alright, battery, get over here. Let's see. There's the positive. See, there we go. There's the positive. Blue is positive, white's negative. So, again, I'm not sure how good this battery is. Is that a flash or is that something I didn't? Yeah, I don't think this is a good battery. See, there's no beep. My Black & Decker smoke alarm. But I got some better ones here, so once again, I'm not sure if you saw that, but it was a little chair thing right there. Felt it on my sock. Alright, here we go again. Maybe not. Alright. Let's just double up then. This is going to be a little harder. There we go. Slow flash, but it's flashing. So, let's double up again. Yeah, 21 to 30, actually. So it's still outside its suggested range. Pop almost worried me though. Okay, now I'm giving it some good voltage. There we go. See, there we go. All right. Now, it is time to power up the horn. And this one I could just do with a regular 9 volt. Oh, apparently it's broke. Plus is the brown, or positive is the brown, negative is the yellow. Probably scare myself when I first power it up. Get some hair protection. Alright. Found them. So, let's power this up. Just a regular 9-volt. Again, I might get scared here, so make sure I have the right thing. Okay. Here we go. You heard it. You heard it. Yeah, we'll see if I can power it up like this. You're not seeing it. There you go. All right. Now, let's do it with full voltage. Put my head hearing protection back on here, because this is going to be loud. I'm just doing it with a regular 9-volt, like I said. So, here we go. Yep. Polarity. Alright, here we go. If I can grab onto it. Wow. It actually sounds like this one. So, now, let's see if I can get both things to go. Nope, I need longer wires. So, let's see if I can find some long wires there. I got some. All that talk about positive and negative makes me think of that song. Accentuate the positive. You know, you've heard it probably. Been, played on the radio. It was done on Mighty Ducks, the original one. Family Channel even had their own little version of it.
You wanna accentuate the positive, eliminate the negative. Tune in to the affirmative, the Family Channel, yes indeed.
Okay, has negative. Negative, sir. If you're seeing this, might be, might not be. All right. Positive. Now I'll get up to these terminals here. Again, you can't see it. Those are the strobe terminals, so I think I could hook them up to that and get it to sound and flash. Alright. Let's see if you'll be able to see it. The strobe is upside down. Not sure if I can get it propped up right. Should have just grabbed another set of wires. Oh well. Hello, batteries. Alright, let's just do it like this. What did I just say, batteries? Stay up. Well, I hooked up something wrong. Yep, I had it miswired. Let's just give it a try like this first. Make sure everything's wired up this time. Nope. Okay. And I'll bet you if I power the strobe up with this, its wires, it will power right up. And if the stupid batteries would stay. Yeah, see? Strobe powered right up, so I still have that song stuck in my head now. I only have myself to blame though. Yeah, still something's wrong. That's sick. Big brain fart. Duh, you have to connect the two horn and strobe terminals together. Duh. Jump them together. Oh man, kind of hard with these somewhat inflexible wires. For some reason I wanted to say lawyers. Inflexible lawyers. Okay. Now it should work. There we go. Alright. Let's get a longer set of wire. See if I can prop it up against something. And of course I have it the wrong way. Da 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 da. Now let's do. First time. Coded for. No. Fast. No, fast code 4. Now we'll do a little. Oh, anyways, that's the alarm for you.